Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Credit One bank app freeze and become completely unresponsive right while it's trying to load your account information? Here's the fix. First, force close the Credit One bank app completely from your recent apps rather than waiting indefinitely on a frozen screen, since continuing to tap on a frozen banking app rarely resolves the freezing on its own. Go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off to reset your network connection. Since a freeze during account load is very often tied to a data request that's silently timing out, reopen the app on that fresh connection and give it a full 30 seconds to 60 seconds to load fully before assuming it's frozen again. Close every other app in your app list and give it reopen it, since background app competes for memory and can make a long freeze more likely. After that, if it freezes still, go to your settings and go to general, go to iPhone stores, find Credit One bank app to the list of apps and tap on it, and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store and reinstall it fresh from there. So all you gotta do is force close instead of waiting it out, reset your connection, close background apps, and offload and reinstall if needed. Your account loads without freezing again, and that's it. Subscribe.